This video explains the process of the first step of filling the application form, which is that of students' personal details. Now please remember that while entering the personal details of the student, ensure to enter the details of the actual applicant only. For example, if you are filling this form on behalf of your son, daughter, friend, or relative, you have to make sure that you provide the respective details of the candidate for whom the scholarship is needed. Now let's see what all details you need to keep ready before filling this form. So first is that of the first name, the last name, the registered email ID, followed by the mobile number of the candidate, the alternate mobile number where the mobile number of the parents can be given. The WhatsApp number is important for communication purpose, followed by DOB, gender, Aadhaar card, annual family income, you need to know about that, and parental status, number of siblings, your category is also very important. Now, after filling these details, the next section is that of the address section, which is again very important section of the first step itself, that is of the student's personal details. Here you need to enter the address line, the state, district, city, town, village, whatever is applicable, followed by PIN code. After filling all these details, you need to click on Save and Continue button to get to the next step.